Who is it?
Nathaniel. What's up, Coy
Hi,
man?
Nathaniel. Just had to see you here in your own room. Hey guys, it's Koyvin. Welcome to my 2019 dorm room tour. Nathaniel's filming it. Thank you, Nathaniel.
You're welcome.
So this is where I live, and also where Nathaniel lives. It's like a mini apartment. So we have this little table, common area, sink, and this is my room through this little hallway area. So if you look to the left, you're right. This is my bathroom. It's super clean. I cleaned it for you guys. And you come through here, this is my space, my area.
Action.
Rolling.
Rolling.
Alright, everyone. Okay. So we're back. We're here. We're in the space, my area. So for the dorms on our campus, the upperclassmen dorms are kind of like apartment style. So you have like 4 individual smaller rooms, a common room, and then 2 bathrooms. So what's really cool is that I told you guys all how, like, you know, Jarrell, Jalen, Christoph all left. And then Nathaniel popped up. So Nathaniel has his own side on that side, and then I'm on this side. So we have our own bathrooms, really, really fun. So this is my room. So over here we have like this "You Look Great" sign with my watches and like necklaces and like some pictures and stuff like that. I actually made this. It used to be an old cork board, but I painted over it with white and some black paint and then like some gold paint as well to say, "You look great," because what do I look? Great. Every morning. It's kind of like little, like, you know, wake up, self-affirmation. My accessories are over here, and then you drop down some more and we see my shoes. Only some of them though, you guys, because I have a lot of shoes. So I got this shoe rack from Target. Full disclosure, so many things in this room are from Target. So just get ready for that. I think it was like $20 something. And then I have like a mirror on this door, which is also from Target. Like I said, lots of things from Target. And then we come over a little bit more. Oh, this is my closet. Y'all can't see it because it's kind of gross. But this is my desk. So all the dorms on our campus come with like a desk, a little, like, you know, side table. But we have, like, you know, my computer, printer, a calendar. You know, I gotta call my mom later on and go to Target. So this is like where I, like, you know, sit and chill. This is from my little like pencil holders from Container Store. This is also from Target. The planner's from Target. This lamp is from Target. This is from Marshalls. This is from Target. A lot of things from Target. And then on this wall, you guys can see it's kind of like a little like gallery wall. So I have some art from one of my friends on campus named Kinsey. And then these like kind of like cork board hexagons, which are from where, audience? Target, exactly. So I have pictures from my friends like back in high school, some like just like, you know, fun things when I went to like Skyline Park, the High Museum, when I went to go see Black Panther in theaters. And then that little like cow bull head up there, I got my freshman year. That is also from Target. It was like $20 something, and it has been with me ever since freshman year. And then if we're gonna pan a little bit over, we can see we have my bed. So this is where I spend 98% of my time. 99. 100. It depends. So we have these blankets. This one is from Target. This one is a Calvin Klein blanket from Marshalls. This comforter is actually reversible. It's black and like little, like, you know, Aztec print. I got this past summer from Target. It was $14.99 and I got it on my Target app and a discount and picked up in store. So thank you to Target. This pillow is a body pillow, which is from Target. I need help. This is from Target. These 2 pillows are also from Target. And then those 2 fuzzy ones are actually from Marshalls, which I got from Marshalls. And then these lights on this wall back here, I got off of Amazon. I will link those in the description below because it's like 30 feet of just lights and they turn on every single night. I put them on. Super, super great for ambiance and just like, you know, chilling by myself because I am single. I love that. Oh, this rug. It's from Target. Yep. So that's really cool. I was gonna mention something else. Oh, and then this refrigerator is also not from. Is it from Target? I think it was, but it might be off of Amazon. but it's probably from Target. And then if we come over here, Nathaniel. So we have like this little bookcase media console situation, which holds my TV. So this console situation came from Target, of course. It's from their Room Essentials collection. These three little like cube things, those are storage. So like this one holds like my medicine, stuff like that, and then the other two hold like snacks and fun things. This is not from Target. It's actually a camera I got for my birthday from my mother from Z Gallery. Really cool. This TV is from Amazon. So Amazon Prime will give a 50% off discount to students. So I used that all the time my freshman year when I got here. I got this TV, 2-day free shipping, and I think it was like $120 something, and I got an Amazon Fire Stick to use because who's paying for my cable? Not me. So I use it on here. These storage Ottomans right here, they hold my clothes because I have hella clothes. So those are also from Target. I got those my freshman year. And you guys probably remember those from my 2016 dorm room haul. This right here is thanks to Nathaniel. This is my Google Home JBL Link 20 speaker. Nathaniel and the Target worker, because I got this from Target, they were like, oh no, this one's way louder. And I was like, oh, what? But guess what, y'all? This was also way more expensive. So it was $200, but I definitely got it. This is one of the best things. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 5:44.
Look at that. No, watch this. Hey Google, play Dreams by Fleetwood Mac.
Sure, Dreams by Fleetwood Mac. Playing on Spotify.
Look at that. Look at what it does. I think that, hey Google, pause. So this is probably one of the best purchases of my junior year so far, because the amount of times I'm in my bed, like I said, 100% of my time, and I don't want to get up, but I want to listen to music, I just say, hey Google, oh, I'm sorry, don't, shh, nothing, I didn't say anything. And it'll just play things for me, and it'll tell me, information about the weather or the news, right when I wake up, so it's really useful. So this thing right here behind all of this is my tapestry that I got off of Society 6. And then we have my hamper full of clothes that are need to wash, so look at those. This backpack I got this year because my old backpack, my mother saw it and she was like, that's ripping, how dare you carry that around you at school? So I was like, alright mother, I'm gonna get a new one. This is actually from Herschel Supply Company, and I got it off of Amazon actually for I think $20-$30 cheaper than I would have gotten it off the website. Pretty much covered everything, but under my bed I have my shoes, my refrigerator, some more clothes. Like I said, I have lots of shoes. So I will be doing a shoe haul or a shoe collection video. That's what it's called. Very, very soon. And pretty much the only thing else left in my room is just my corner with my microwave and my Keurig that I got off of Target. And then the thing, if you want to look over here in this final wall, we can see these three nice little art pieces that I made one night last semester, and it looks super professional, and that's because I'm talented. So, you're welcome. Yeah, this is my room. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now, not every single room on this campus is going to look as nice as mine because, again, audience, I'm talented. But this is just a little piece of me and what I like to do. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be taking lots of pictures so you guys can see those on my website at buyquitman.com. Have a great day. I love you. Subscribe. Alright? Subscribe. And also, if you're a mother watching this for her son going to school in the fall, you know what? Buy him everything that I have. If you need some guidance, hit me up on Instagram and I will be happy to help you guys out. For a small fee, just let me know. I will be there to help you guys. And also to Target and Amazon Prime, hit me up. I am literally giving you guys so much money, okay? Just please help me. Alright, cool, goodbye. Have a great day. Alright, how was that?